Hi friends, welcome in this मैथमेटिक्स शो। फ्रेंड्स, कभी आपने सोचा है कि आपकी मल्टीप्लिकेशन विद इन सेकंड में हो जाएंगी? मैथमेटिक्स परफेक्ट होने के लिए ये बहुत ज़रूरी है। आपको टेबल, स्क्वायर, क्यूब मालूम होना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। यदि आपको ये याद नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, हम आपके लिए लेके आए हैं एक नई पद्धति, नई टेक्निक जो आपकी मल्टीप्लिकेशन विद इन द सेकंड में हो जाएंगी। 2 डिजिट की मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसी होंगी ये हमें देखना है। चलो देखते हैं हम 2 डिजिट की मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसे हम विद इन द सेकंड में कर पाएंगे। Now see various types of questions related with a multiplication of 2 digit numbers. Now we can solve it very instantly within the second. If you solve this problem for a number of times, then it will make a practice to you and you will be able to solve this question very instantly, very fastly. That's why this type of multiplication it is called as the instant multiplication of 2 digits. Now you take here a one question. Now see here 39 multiplied by 49. Now you see this 39 multiplied by 49. How will you do it? You see at first this one 39 into 49. In this you see that the numbers which are given to you, whether they are 2 digits number or 3 digit number, it is applicable for 2 digit number only. So we have given here 39 multiplied by 49. Now what you will do? At first you make a multiplication of 3 and 4. This one. Your first step is 3 into 4. It is a 12. In that you will make a multiplication 3 into 4. How much it is? It is a 12. In the next step, what you will do? In that you have to make a multiplication of this type. 3 into 9. 3 into 9. How much it is? 3 into 9. It is a 27. You write here 27. 3 into 9, 27. Now after that you make a multiplication of 9 into 4. 9 into 4 plus 9 into 4, it is a 36. You make a addition. How much it is? It is 13. 4 plus 2, it is a 6. So it is a 63. So you write here 63. Now after that you make a multiplication with 9 into 9. This one. 9 into 9, it is a 81. Now you are reaching towards answer. We have done a multiplication 3 into 4. It is a 12. After that this one, second step, 9 into 4, 36, 3 into 9, 27. We have done addition and we have written 63 here. Again 9 into 9, it is a 81 that we have written. After that you make a group of 2. 1 जो है उसको छोड़ देंगे. Make a group here. 8 plus 3, 11, carry 1. 7 plus 2, 9. This is your answer. Another question or a fact. Now you see next question. 37 into 95. Same procedure you have to adopt here. See here, what we have done at first, it is 3 into 9. This is a 3 into 9. This is our first step. It is a 27. See this. After that, you make a addition of this. At first, you make a addition here, 9 into 7. You make a multiplication, 9 into 7. It is a 63. After that, 3 into 5. It is a 15. Make a addition here, 8, 7. After that, you make a multiplication of this one, 7 into 5. It is a 35. Now you are reaching towards your answer. How will you write answer? Last digit you write at first 5. Now after that you make a group of 2. 2 नंबर का ग्रुप किया हमने. It is this 8 plus 3 11. Carry 1. Again you make a group of 2. 7 plus 7 plus 1. It is a 15. So you are writing 5 here. Carry 1. So it will be 2 plus 1. It is a 3. This is your answer. कैसा किया हमने, देखिए अभी पहली वाली जो स्टेप थी हमारी 3 into 9. पहली वाली जो स्टेप थी हमारी स्टेप नंबर 1. Now see here step number 1. What we have done? We have done here at first 3 into 9. 3 into 9. It is a 27 that we are written here. This one. After that, in the next step, we have done here 7 into 9 plus 3 into 5. It is 63 plus 15 is equal to 78 that we are written here. What was our third step? It was this 7 into 5. It is 35 that we are written here. That was the verification. Now you see a next. ये जो आया है हमारा कैसा है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन जो आया, इट इज अ 2 digit. नाउ यू कीप इन योर माइंड, these are the 2 digits. These are also the 2 digits. These are also the 2 digits. If there is a 3-digit number that comes in a multiplication, then how will you solve? That we are going to see. Now see next question. Now you see another type of question. We are taking here 97 into 99. We have to make a multiplication. So what is our step number 1? What we do? We make a multiplication here, 9 into 9. It is a 9 into 9. It is a 81 that we are writing here, 81. Now after that, in the next step, Step number 2. What we do? We make a multiplication here. 7 into 9 plus 9 into 9. What we do? 7 into 9 plus 9 into 9. It is this 63 plus 9 into 9, 81. Make a multiplication here. 63 plus 81. Make a addition here. It is 144. Now you are writing 144 here. अभी यहाँ देखिए, दिस इज अ 3 डिजिट नंबर. मल्टीप्लिकेशन हमारी कैसे आई है? 3 डिजिट नंबर. सो whenever your multiplication that comes equal to the 3 digit number, then you can write in this way. 144, you write here 1 4, which is the very nearer to 1, and this is the 4. Now after that, what is our next step? 7 into 9. Next is 7 into 9. It is a 63 that we are writing here. Now we are reaching towards our answer. See here, आपको बताया था पहले, you keep 3 as it is. 3. Make a addition here. 6 plus 4. It is a 10. Carry 1. Now you make here this one. 14 plus 1, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. So you are writing 6 here. Carry 1. So 8 plus 1, it is a 9. So your answer is 9603. Very simple. Your answer is 9603. Whenever your multiplication that comes in the 3 digit, then first 2 digits you write very nearer to each other. That we are written here 1 4. You see this. And other rules that are the same. So in this way we can make a multiplication very instantly. If you make a practice of such a type of a question for a number of times, you will be able to solve this question very fastly. These questions that are very important in solving various types of a question, जहाँ हमको टाइम ज़्यादा लगता है मल्टीप्लिकेशन के लिए, इस समय ये क्वेश्चन जो है ये बहुत ही काम में आते हैं. These questions are very useful in various types of competitive examinations. So this technique is very useful. If you have any type of difficulty or a question, you may ask me in a comment box. I will try to give your answer. हमारे नए नए वीडियो देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकॉन पे क्लिक करना मत भूलिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच. वेट फॉर आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू.